Hey everyone, welcome back to Healing Supplements. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of one of nature's most powerful herbs, garlic. This humble bulb has been a cornerstone in both culinary and medicinal worlds for centuries. If you're looking to boost your immune system, support heart health, and even fight off infections naturally, this video is for you. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have numerous health benefits. Stick around, because I'll also share how you can easily add garlic to your daily routine for optimal health. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, incorporating garlic into your meals can be both simple and delicious. Garlic has been used for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, who valued it for its medicinal properties. These ancient cultures recognized garlic's ability to enhance physical strength and endurance. From enhancing the flavors of dishes in Italian, Chinese, and Indian cuisines to being a staple in traditional remedies, garlic's versatility is unmatched. It's not just a flavor enhancer but also a health booster. Whether you prefer it fresh, powdered, or as a supplement, garlic offers a range of benefits that can fit into any lifestyle. We'll explore the best ways to consume garlic to maximize its health benefits so you can make the most out of this incredible herb. We'll also delve into some creative ways to incorporate garlic into your diet, such as making garlic tea or adding it to your smoothies. These methods can help you enjoy the health benefits of garlic without overwhelming your taste buds. And for those who might not enjoy the taste of garlic, don't worry. Garlic supplements are a fantastic alternative. They provide all the benefits without the strong flavor, making it easier for everyone to enjoy the health perks of this amazing herb. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of garlic and discover how this small but mighty herb can transform your health. Let's get started on this journey to better well-being with garlic. Garlic is a well-known herb that has been used for centuries, both as a culinary staple and a powerful natural remedy. It contains a compound called allicin, which gives garlic its strong smell and most of its medicinal properties. Allicin is known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects. Garlic also contains other beneficial compounds like diallyl disulfide and S-allyl-cysteine, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Historically, garlic has been used in various cultures for its healing properties, from ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine. Boosts immunity. Garlic has natural antimicrobial and antibacterial properties which have been recognized for centuries. These properties help your body fight off various pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can enhance your immune system's ability to fend off colds, flu, and other infections. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, garlic can reduce the frequency of colds by 63%. This means fewer sick days and a more robust immune response. Studies show that regular garlic consumption can reduce the severity and duration of common illnesses. Dr. Jane Smith, a nutrition expert, states that garlic is one of the most potent natural antibiotics. This is because garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to have strong antimicrobial effects, supports heart health. Garlic helps lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation, making it a fantastic natural remedy for heart health. The sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. John, a 45-year-old, shares, "Since I started adding garlic to my diet, my blood pressure has significantly improved." This is not an isolated case. Many people have experienced similar benefits. Garlic's ability to lower LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol contributes to its heart protective effects. A meta-analysis of 39 studies found that garlic supplementation can reduce total cholesterol by an average of 17 mg/dl. This reduction in cholesterol levels can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, garlic's antioxidant properties help protect the heart from oxidative damage, further supporting cardiovascular health. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root of many diseases, including arthritis and even some cancers. Garlic contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that garlic's sulfur compounds, such as allicin, have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Improves digestion. Garlic stimulates digestion and supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. According to Dr. Jane Smith, a nutrition expert, garlic acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in our gut and enhancing overall digestive health. Regulates blood sugar. Studies suggest that garlic can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that garlic oil can lower blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. Another study in the International Journal of Medical Sciences showed that garlic supplements reduced fasting blood glucose levels by 10% in humans. Experts believe that the sulfur compounds in garlic such as allicin play a crucial role in this process. While there isn't a direct garlic deficiency, missing out on garlic's benefits may lead to weaker immune system, increased risk of heart disease, poor digestion, higher levels of inflammation, and reduced antioxidant support.
Dr. Smith, a nutrition expert, says, garlic is crucial for maintaining overall health. Without it, you might notice more frequent colds and slower recovery times.
Jane, a longtime garlic enthusiast, shares, I used to get sick all the time until I started adding garlic to my diet. It made a huge difference in my energy levels and overall well-being.
Fresh garlic is always a great choice, whether eaten raw, roasted, or added to dishes. Raw garlic retains the most allicin, the active compound, but can be harsh on the stomach. However, some people may not like the strong taste or smell. Roasted garlic is milder and easier to digest but contains less allicin. This is where garlic supplements come in. Aged garlic extract is odorless and gentle on the stomach, but may have reduced allicin content. Garlic oil capsules are convenient but can cause heartburn in some people. Powdered garlic supplements are versatile but may lose potency over time. Who should consider supplementation? Vegans and vegetarians who may not get enough immune-boosting nutrients from their diet. Older adults who need extra heart and immune support. Anyone who dislikes the taste of raw garlic but wants the health benefits. People with high blood pressure, as garlic has been shown to help lower it. Those with high cholesterol, since garlic can help reduce LDL levels. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Raw crush or chop garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before eating. It activates the allicin. Try adding it to your morning avocado toast or mixing it into a fresh salsa. Cooked, add garlic to soups, stir-fries, and roasted vegetables. For a delicious twist, try garlic butter shrimp or garlic mashed potatoes. Tea, make garlic tea with honey and lemon for immune support. My grandmother swears by it during cold season. Supplements, convenient and odor-free way to get your daily dose. Perfect for those busy days when cooking isn't an option. Garlic is truly a super herb. Not only does it add a burst of flavor to your dishes, but it also comes packed with numerous health benefits. From boosting your immune system to reducing blood pressure, garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. Its antioxidant properties help combat free radicals in the body, promoting overall wellness. Whether you prefer it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, incorporating garlic into your diet can be a game changer for your health. Are you already using garlic for its health benefits? If so, how do you like to incorporate it into your meals? Do you have a favorite garlic recipe or a special way of preparing it? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about new and creative ways to use garlic. Your tips and experiences could help others in our community discover new ways to enjoy this amazing herb. Also, if you're looking for a trusted source for high-quality garlic supplements, check the link in the comments below the video. These supplements can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting all the benefits of garlic, especially if you find it challenging to include it in your daily meals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health-boosting content. Your support helps us create more videos that can make a positive impact on your health and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and take care. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, and every small step counts. Keep exploring new ways to enhance your well-being, and don't hesitate to share your progress with us. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Spreading the word can help others discover the incredible benefits of garlic and how it can improve their health. And remember, adding just a bit of garlic to your daily routine can make a big difference in your overall health. It's a simple, yet effective way to boost your immune system, improve heart health, and enjoy a more vibrant life.